down. Sit. Stand. Yay. Yay. Ay, nako. Where is your papa? Oh, Pia. Alisa.
Papa, Ma? Can you call Papa?
Ah, Alisa, Pia. What happened? Where you go? Alisa, what happened? You're tired? Play again. Swing. Slide.
Hey, Mama. I wanna eat KFC.
What about you, Apia? How are you? Afia. See. Water.
And that is mine.
Uh-huh. Hmm?
Shark too. It's mine too.
Look at your face.
We going last night.
Uh-huh.
Last night we go in the ocean. I wanna drink water.
Drink water there. Not big, okay? Apia, finish? Where you to go? Where'd you go? Here? Okay, hold. Give, Afia. Close properly. Ah. Hi, Aliza. Look at your face. It's color pink.
Yeah, because I'm so tired.
You're tired. What about you, Pia? You're tired?
Can I go in the water?
No. See, you see the security? They are sitting there. You see there, oh, you see? No, on the side, oh. That one. That one, oh, you see? Yeah. You see that one? Oo, mahulog yung ano, Lisa, cover. Nafia.
Call Papa.
I'm cold already. Hey, you're not baby, ah?
I'm not baby though.
So, why you like the battle?
Can you call Papa again?
Huh?
Can you call Papa again?
Oh, you're tired? No, swing. Sliding. Slide.
Bakit na ako nasuka?
Don't make vomiting, ha?
Ako on the room na.
Hey, you want to sit? Or you will go the other place?
No?
You stay here?
Mama,
Ah. Mm.
can you push us?
No, I'm tired. Oh, don't cry. Security guard is there, oh. You see in the backside? This KFC.
What are you doing it? You're doing it.
Hey, you're strong, mashallah.
You're doing it. I'm heavy, Mama, but go faster. Look at this.
Ah, mashallah, pianor.
Guys, I let people. Fiona is a good girl. She knows.
Huh?
She knows how to do everything.
Okay, enough. Enough. Airplane, oh. Airplane. Ayun. Hoy. Okay, enough.